ISE operates a studio-based learning approach, similar to the one used in disciplines like design, architecture, art, and media. Classes are not taught in lecture halls, they take place in studio labs, and the physical space reflects the content by encouraging a collaborative environment with interaction among students, allowing them to learn from each other's ideas, mistakes, and successes. The majority of our classes take place in one building, and ISE studios mirror professional environments where software engineers, system designers, software architects, and user interaction designers collaborate on projects. As well as the labs, there are also breakout spaces and pods where students can work together in smaller teams. This prepares students for the real-world practices in the careers that they will pursue after they graduate. Continuous peer and instructor critiques foster improvement and encourage iterative refinement of work. The open-ended nature of studio projects encourages creativity and experimentation. This allows students to explore multiple solutions to a problem, which strengthens critical thinking skills. Studio-based learning is key to our immersive approach and improves technical ability, collaboration techniques, and confidence in ways that promote innovation and creativity. For more, log on to softwareengineering.ie.